chain, food web, and ecological pyramids. First, detail about food chains. The most obvious aspect of nature is that energy must pass from one living organism to another. When herbivorous animals feed on plants, energy is transferred from plants to animals. In an ecosystem, some of the animals feed on other living organisms, while some feed on dead organic matter. The transfer of energy from the source in plants through a series of organisms by eating and being eaten constitutes food chains. At each transfer, a large proportion of energy is lost in the form of heat. These food chains are not isolated sequences but are interconnected with each other. Look at this picture. Shows that apex pyramid decomposes, produces, primary consumer, secondary consumer, tertiary consumer. It's a food chain. The latter from the deteriorates food chain. At each linkage in the chain, a major part of the energy from the food is lost for daily activities. Each chain usually has only 4 to 5 such links. However, a single species may be linked to many species. The food webs. In an ecosystem, there are a very large number of interlinking chains. This forms a food web. If the linkages in the chains that make up the web of life are disrupted due to human activities that leads to the loss or extinction of species, the web breaks down. Look at this picture, food web. Grains, grass, carrot, rabbit, fox, owl, mouse, grasshopper, bird, etc. Interlinking. web of relations. The ecological pyramids. In an ecosystem, green plants, the producers, utilize energy directly from sunlight and convert into matter. Many of these organisms, from the most basic or first trophic level of the food pyramid, the herbivorous animals that eat plants are at the second trophic level and are called primary consumers. The producers that feed on them from the third trophic level and are known as secondary consumers. Only a few animals from the third trophic level, consisting of carnivorous, at the apex of food pyramid. This is how energy is used by living creatures and flows through the ecosystem from its base to the apex. Much of the energy is used up in activities of each living organisms. Look at this picture. Terrestrial food pyramid. Man, sheep, fooder. Agricultural ecosystems. Acoustic food pyramid. Man, fish. Microscopic primary producers. Then other primary producers. Other example for food pyramid: eagle, snake, frog, grass, shopper, then grass.
Thank you. Have a nice day.